Students, in this video, I will explain you different practice questions which are based on standard form. Okay, so for what is a standard form and other name of standard form and how it will be applicable. So for this, you can see my earlier video. Okay, so here we are doing different question based on this. So question number 1, write as power of 10, and they are giving you 100. So we can write power in terms of power of 10. 100 can be written as 10 multiplied by 10, or this can be written as 10 raised to the power 2. So 100 can be written as 10 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now this 1 double 0 triple 0. Okay. So how many zeros are here? 5. So this can be written as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Means we have to write 10 5 times. Okay. Or since it is 5 times, so we can write 10 whole raised to the power 5. Whole raised to the power, we have already seen that whenever whole raised to the power word will come, it means bracket is there. So 10 raised to 10 whole raised to the power 5. If it is in decimal form, see here, C part 0.01. So 0.01 can be written as 1 upon 100. How it will be? Because as you know, after decimal, how many digits? So 2 digits. So since 2 digits after decimal, so after 1, in denominator after 1, 2 zeros will come. So this will become 1 upon 100, or 1 upon 100 can be written in terms of 1 upon 10 whole raised to the power 2. When it will come up, so power will be from positive to negative, so it will be 10 raised to the power minus 2. I have already explained you that in a standard form or in scientific notation, your final answer can come in the form of negative power of 10 also. Okay. Second question, copy and complete to write the following number in standard form. So they have given, means you have to write final answer in standard form. Okay. And whatever they are given, so 476, this they are given, and 476 is equals to 4.76 into 10 raised to the power how many? So how many, this you have to find out. Clear? So just see here how we will write solutions I have already given you, but how they will come I am explaining you. Here you are seeing 476, and as you know, what is the key to write scientific notation or standard form? You have to write decimal after one digit, first digit. After first digit you have to write decimal. So what is first digit here? First digit is 4. So how many steps our decimal will move? 2 steps. Okay. And since it is going from right to left, so our power of 10 will be positive. So power of 10 will be positive, and how many steps? So this is 2, so 2 is showing how many steps. Clear? So just by seeing your answer, you can easily cross check your answer. So see here, if you are writing 10 raised to the power 2, means how many steps? How many steps? 2 steps. Okay. And plus 2, what is showing? Plus 2 is showing that you are going from right to left. Clear? Now see next. 9000 is equals to dash 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 into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay. So here they want to know which digit will come. So 10 raised to the power 3 means it is positive. Okay, it is positive means we should move from right to left. How many steps? 1 2 3. Okay, 3. 3 steps. So, okay, 3 is here and 9. So 9 into 10 raised to the power 3. Next is 0.05 is equals to dash into 10 raised to the power minus 2. So here it is 10 raised to the power minus 2. Means we should move from left to right. And how many digits we are moving from left to right? 2 digits. Okay. So 10 raised to the power minus 2. Yes. And 5 will come. So our final answer is 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Next question. 0.00308 is equals to 3.08 into 10 raised to the power how many? Okay, so how we will count how many steps we are moving from left to right or right to left. Okay, so see here we are moving from left to right. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 steps we are moving, so it will become 3.08 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Next is 0.000000024 can be written as 2.4 into 10 raised to the power how many? So you have to write how many power will come. So see here, we are moving from left to right. Okay, so left to right means power will be negative. Clear? And how many steps? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we will write here 2.4 into 10 raised to the power 7. Clear? Now see next question. Express in a standard form. 625. So as you know, we have to put decimal after first digits. So 625 means 6.25 and we are moving 2 steps. And it is, since we are moving from right to left, so it is positive. So 6.25 10 raised to the power 2. Here I am giving you the same question in different form. Check it. Same question in different form. Different form means you will see here number of zeros or position of the decimal. It will change. Now instead of 625, if it is 625,000, so what happens? As you know, we are moving from right to left. How many steps? 1 2 3 4 5. So this will become 6.25 into 10 raised to the power 5. Okay. Next, if it is 6.25, so 6.25 it is already in our decimal is put at the right place. So we should not do anything. But we have to write in 10 raised to the power. Yes. So instead of 10 raised to the power, we can write 10 raised to the power 0, because as we know, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So we can write 10 raised to the power 0 also. Next question is, if it is 0.625, so our decimal is before first digits. So we have to put it after first digit. So it will become 6.25. Okay, and how many steps we are moving? Only 1 steps. And since we are moving from left to right, so it is minus 1. So 6.25 into 10 raised to the power minus 1. Now see different questions, different form of the same question. Okay, if it is 19.1, so 19.1 means we have to move from right to left. How many steps? Only 1 step. So 1.91 into 10 raised to the power plus 1. Instead of 19.1, if it is 19100, so how many steps we have to move? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we will write final answer is 1.91 into 10 raised to the power 4. If it is 0.00191, so our decimal will move from left to right. Okay, so 1 2 3. and power of 10 will be negative. So 1.91 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Next, the same question but in different way. 1910,000. So how many zeros we have to, our decimal will shift how many zeros? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is going from right to left, so positive power of 10 will come. So 1.91 into 10 raised to the power 6. Okay. Now see different form of the same question again. Next question is 6850. So as we know, our decimal will come after first digits. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. You can see steps means how many digits. Okay. So here are 3 digits before reaching first digit. Okay. So since we are moving from right to left, so a power of 10 will be positive. So 6.85 into 10 raised to the power 3. Instead of 6850, if it is 0.06850, so we have to move from left to right. Left to right, how many digits? 1 and 2. So 10 raised to the power minus 2, and our final answer will be 6.85, 10 raised to the power minus 2. Next, if it is come in the form of 685, after 5 there are 5 zeros. Okay. So we have to move from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and it is power of 10 will be positive. 6.85 into 10 raised to the power 7. Next question is, this is another form of the same question. 0.000685. So move from left to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So power of 10 will be negative. How many times? Minus. How many times? 4. So it will be minus 4. So final answer will be 6.85 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So through this, with the help of 10 raised to the power, you can do different questions which are based on scientific notation. Okay. And remember one thing only. Remember one thing only means you have to remember either positive power of 10 or negative power of 10. Either you have to remember that we are doing power of 10 when we are moving from right to left. Okay. So in this means in this type of sums or in scientific notation, while writing scientific notation, remember when we are going from right to left, multiply that much 10 raised to the power in positive form. That much 10 raised to the power in positive form. See here again, if it is 6, 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and we have to write in a standard form. So how it will be? We are going from right to left, and in right to left, what happens? Positive power of 10 will come. And how many steps? So steps means how many steps we are moving up to first digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6.5 into 10 raised to the power 6. And from left to right, vice versa. But remember only one. Whichever is fruitful to you, or whichever is you will like, you remember only that formula. Okay. So just summarize this video. So in this video we are seeing that how we can write different large number or small number in power of 10. These power of 10 can come positive as well as negative also. Okay. So you can use the formula that whenever we are going from right to left, so our power of 10 will come in positive form. Okay, so use this. You can do any question and it will be right. Okay, bye bye, thank you. Hope this video will help you.